Match list 1 with list 2. So the list 1 is the name of the players and list 2 is the name of the games. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. The correct answer is B. That is PV Sindhu is related to badminton. Then Lavlina related to boxing. Then Ravi Kumar Dahiya, wrestler. And Gagan Narang, shooting. With which of the following sports is Manika Batra associated? The correct answer is B. That is table tennis. So, a Commonwealth Games gold medalist, a two-time Olympian and winner of multiple other honors, Manika Batra is one of the true star of Indian table tennis. Deepankar Bhattacharya ji is a famous sports person belonging to which sport? The correct answer is C. That is badminton. So, Indian badminton player and two-time Olympian Deepankar Bhattacharya ji has been diagnosed with the brain tumor and admitted to a hospital in Mumbai. Deepankar Bhattacharya ji, age of 49, represented India at the 1992 and 1996 Olympic game in Barcelona and Atlanta. Which of the following is the first South Asian country to call match fixing a crime? The correct answer is B. That is Sri Lanka. So, Sri Lanka is the first South Asian country to call match fixing as a crime, and it was passed in the Parliament of Sri Lanka under the Prevention of Offences Related to Sports. To which of the following Indian states does Mardani Khel, one of the famous martial art form in India, belong? The correct answer is C. That is Maharashtra. So, Mardani Khel, one of the famous martial art forms in India, belongs to Maharashtra. It is a weapon based martial art form and it is believed to emerge during the Martha dynasty. The first Wimbledon championship was held in, the correct answer is B. That is 1877. So, first Wimbledon championship was held in 9th July 1877 on one of the croquet lawns of the All Indian Croquet and Lawn Tennis Club. Dash was the first host country of the FIFA Federation International D Football Association World Cup. The correct answer is B. That is Uruguay. So, the 1930 FIFA World Cup was the inaugural FIFA World Cup for men's national association football teams. It took place in Uruguay from 13th July to 30 July 1930. Which team won the Federation Cup football tournament for the most number of times? The correct answer is A. That is Mohan Bagan. Which of the following martial art forms is practiced in the state of Punjab and West Bengal? The correct answer is A. That is Lathi. So, Lathi Khel is a traditional Bengali martial art, a kind of stick fighting practiced India and Bangladesh. A practitioner is known as Lathial. The term butterfly is associated with, the correct answer is C. That is swimming. So, butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke are related to swimming. Name of the Indian equestrian to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics officially after a wait span of 2 decades. The correct answer is C. That is Fouad Mirza. So, Fouad Mirza classified for the Tokyo Olympics officially after a wait span of 2 decades. He has also received the Arjuna Award in 2019 and he also won a silver in individual eventing in the 2018 Asian Games. Only one Indian batsman has scored a triple century in Test cricket. Other than Virendra Sehwag, name this batsman. The correct answer is D. That is Karun Nair. So, Karun Nair has scored a triple century in Test cricket. Other than Viren Sehwag, and he struck the triple century on one day, 4 of the 5th test in Chennai against England. Who among the following is an Indian Olympic archer and Padma Shri winner? The correct answer is C, that is Limbaram. So Limbaram is an Indian archer who represented India in international competition including 3 Olympics. He equaled an archery world record in 1992 and the Asian Archery Championship in Beijing, and he was awarded the Padma Shri award in 2012. Alyssa Haley creates a world record by becoming the highest scorer in Women's T20 international match. She play for which country? The correct answer is B, that is Australia. Backheel is related to which sports? The correct answer is A, that is football. So backheel refers to a pass between teammates. When passing the ball, the player uses their heel to push the ball towards their teammates. And this type of pass is commonly played to fool the defender of the opposing team into thinking that the ball is to pass forward. With which gymnastics vault style do we associate the name of Deepa Karmakar? The correct answer is C, Prodionova. The Prodionova is a women's artistic gymnastic vault consisting of a front handspring onto the vaulting horse and 2 front somersaults in a tucked position of it. 8 times world champion squash player Nicole David belongs to which country? The correct answer is B, that is Malaysia. So he is a Malaysian squash player who dominated the sports in the early 21st century and become the first to win 8 World Open crowns. Which female golfer has become the youngest Indian woman to win a ladies European Tour, that is LET title? The correct answer is A, that is Diksha Dagar. So Diksha Dagar, who wrote her own piece of history by becoming the youngest Indian woman to win on the ladies European Tour in March 2019. With which sport is Dattu Bokanal associated? The correct answer is D, that is rowing. So he started rowing in 2012 at the Bombay Engineer Group and Center in Pune. In 2013 he shifted to Army Rowing Node, Pune for better training. His first coach was Kudrat Ali. Which one of the following is not a football tournament? The correct answer is B, that is Irani Trophy. So Irani Cup tournament was conceived during 1959-60 season to mark the completion of 25 years of the Ranji Trophy, and it is named after the late Z.R. Irani, who was associated with the BCCI, and it is a first class cricket championship played annually between the Ranji Trophy winners and the rest of India team. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.